Guys, how to age up your pets. Okay, this is pretty much how you age your pets, because these pets have ages. You can see if I view the dog right here, it's age number 3. Your pet's weight picked up a bird and gets better every level. So you have to level up. You have to level up this pet, and he pretty much levels up by itself. But if you feed the pet, you can also level him up quickly. So you can just feed the desired fruit to your pet. You can just view the pet, and then you see every 60 seconds there's a 10% chance to dig up a random seed. And this is Jay the dog, the golden lab. You can feed anything to this pet, pretty much any fruit that you want you can feed him. But the pandas like bamboo. So if you have a panda, you just feed him bamboos. Feed, bang, feed bamboo, and then you have to get more bamboos to the panda. The panda mans wants the bamboos. Where's the bamboo at? I have so many things on my bamboo. Chilled, okay, I'm gonna give him a chilled bamboo because, you know, chilled bamboo, he's chilling, you know, he's chilling. Chilled bamboo for him, like an ice cream, maybe a rainbow bamboo. We will see, okay, we will see. A bamboo, wet bamboo. Where is he going? I can't even see him. Okay, give him the bamboo, give him the bamboo. Bang. Okay, so this guy will also grow, okay? You see it's like value age number 3. He's leveling up. If you keep him fed, he's gonna level up quickly. And every 3 minutes he eats a bamboo for 1.5 value. That's pretty good. And look, we got random seeds. Sadly it's a carrot seed. This guy just gave me a carrot seed. What is he gonna do? I'm gonna sell him. I'm actually gonna sell him to the guy. I'm going to sell this dog. Okay. Go to the garden, bang. So this is pretty much how you age up your pets quickly.